Okay, so we think of sharks as apex predators, streamlined machines cutting through the ocean. But what if I told you they weren't always like that? For most of their history, sharks were bottom dwellers, slow, benthic creatures hugging the sea floor. And then about 150 million years ago, something started to change. And that change didn't just reshape oceans, it changed sharks forever. Sharks today fit into two main body types. We have shallow-bodied benthic species and deep-bodied open-water predators. But a recent study of over 450 living-day sharks revealed that there weren't two, but three distinct body types, a hidden split in the benthic world. But the real revelation wasn't just about form, it was how they formed through time. See, during the Jurassic and Cretaceous, the world looked very different. Continents were drifting apart, sea levels were rising, and some of those shallow seas were flooding over land. And this isn't just about geology, this is evolutionary opportunity. The fossil record shows that there were at least 4 independent transitions from shallow-bodied to deep-bodied sharks. And they all happened around this time. Coincidence? I think not. And at the same time, marine reptiles like the infamous ichthyosaurs and plesiosaurs were slowly fading. These were once rulers of the pelagic realm, or the open oceans. But naturally, as they started to decline, it opened up new room for more predators. Suddenly the waters were less dangerous, less reptiles equals more fish, and sharks took full advantage. An interesting find was the body form changed before function. This means that the shallow-bodied became deep-bodied before they went up into the open ocean. An example of how evolution isn't always neat. It's kind of like a wired mess. They seem to have evolved for a world that was evolving around them. And there's another mystery in shark evolution. Molecular data suggests that shark lineages are ancient, going back nearly 400 million years. But fossils don't show up until much later. The question is why? Well, it turns out the fossil record is biased. For millions of years, sharks lived away from shallow waters, which means that the potential of them being fossilized was almost zero. They would have existed all along, just far away from anywhere that could have preserved them. The story of sharks isn't just about predation, it's also about the environment. About how rising seas, vanishing rivals, and evolving prey reshaped not just where sharks live, but also what they look like. Maybe the reason sharks dominate today was because 150 million years ago, they were ready for the future. Thank you for watching our video here on Earth Explained. I'm Mr. Earth Guy, and if you enjoyed this video, like, comment, share, follow, and I'll see you in the next one.